What's up everybody, today I will show you guys how to disassemble this USB. This is a Sandisk with a marking of SDDDC4, which in Google shows that is a ultra dual drive. Okay, so this one has two sides, one with USB-C and one with the normal 3.0 USB. Okay, so first thing first, we need to take off the outer shell. Let's do this now. I already disassembled this once. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so just use the pliers to open up the space on the holes. Here we go. Slide it out. Okay, so you will see this red ring. One side it's a monolith USB, and one side you see this red ring. Okay, what you need to do is use something heavy and sturdy. Pull a little bit force in and to the side. Into the side. And as soon as the ring comes loose to the right, actually push in like so and pull down. You will see there's the USB. Okay, there's the USB 3.1 that comes in, and this is the USB Type-C that comes into the phone. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.